Welcome back to another CLMB's Crack Knuckle Productions. My name is Chris, and today I want to show you one way that I go around making maps, especially if I want to do it quickly. Alright, so right now I'm on map SVG, where you can download free SVG vector maps. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just, for example, take a look at this, the world. So I'm going to take a look and I'm going to say download. Okay, and so I have it so that it's world SVG open with Affinity Designer. So I'm going to press OK and it's going to open up Affinity Designer. Now we see the world is set up like this. And so I can move around Canada, I can move around Greenland, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do over here in Affinity Designer is I'm going to go over and I'm going to say new category. And let's go ahead and I'm going to select here, these icons here, and I'm going to move them all into this tab bar. What I've just created is a whole number of assets which you can use at any time to now create your other works that you're going to be working on. So I'm going to go ahead and go to new, and I'm going to create a blank file, and it will be horizontal, an A4 sized piece, and there we go. So let's start building, and I'm going to go ahead and scale this up, and alright, it's not too bad. We can kind of create just whatever we want. Add a little bit of Canada here, just to add I like coastlines. Coastlines are, I think, a really good part of maps. They add just a lot of detail. And let's add France. And France will, let's rotate this around just a little bit like this. And let's go down the Philippines. I love the Philippines because it's a nice group of islands that you can kind of tinker around with. One of the things that you can do is you can double click the image that you've selected and you can delete parts of it. So for example, if I don't want this set of islands, there we go, and they're gone. And let's add Papua New Guinea. I believe that's what this country is here. And we'll add that right here. Shrink it a little bit there. And yeah, that's essentially what you can do for a very quick and quick way of making a map. Here we have ourselves, and it will actually say here no for Norway, and so you can kind of see at a glance what it is that you're creating. Nothing much, but you can create some really interesting ideas and thoughts, and it's really for brainstorming. Although if you want to create your map using just these elements, that's also a possibility. Alright, thank you. I hope that you enjoyed and that this was something educational. See you later. Blessings.